Dorner presents the 2700 Series Medium Duty Belted Conveyor. This durable, low-maintenance conveyor is designed for industries including industrial automation, packaging, material handling, e-commerce, and logistics. Positioned between Dorner's 2200 low profile and 3200 heavy duty conveyors, the 2700 medium duty is available with widths from 8 inches to 36 inches and lengths of 20 inches to 24 feet. With the ability to carry loads up to 150 pounds and run at speeds of up to 400 feet per minute, the 2700 series fits applications such as multi-lane product conveyance, robotic integration, large packages, palletizers, printing, labeling, and marking, and much more. The 2700 series is also an ideal attachment mount for AGVs and AMRs, with the ability to be wider than it is long, allowing easy side docking capabilities. The 2700 series belted conveyor is available in end drive, mid drive, and iDrive V2 configurations. AGV and AMR integration is seamless with the iDrive V2. The power and controls are 24-volt DC, and the conveyor is designed with the gear motor inside the frame for the most compact design. The 2700 series hard anodized aluminum bed plate provides rigidity and durability without adding weight. And Dorner's V-guiding ensures belt tracking even under demanding side load applications. Featuring flush sides and a small frame height, the 2700 series fits where other conveyors can't. Even small packages will transfer smoothly with the optional 5/8" nose bar tail. Universal T-slots on the frame ensure that accessories can be easily mounted with industry-standard hardware. Looking for a low-maintenance conveyor? The 2700 series medium duty features rack and pinion belt tensioning, which allows the belt to be tensioned quickly and easily. The Sealed for Life bearings provide long, maintenance-free conveyor life. Consistent with Dorner's industry-best lead times, 2700 series medium-duty conveyors ship in as few as 10 working days. Dorner conveyors come standard with the peace of mind of the Dorner 10-year warranty. Using Dorner's online configurator, you can design and engineer simple or complex conveyors to meet your needs in minutes. The industry-leading tool delivers a complete 3D CAD assembly model for instant validation of fit. Talk to a Dorner representative today to find out if the 2700 series is the right solution for your application. Dorner 2700 series medium-duty belted conveyors. Durable, low-maintenance conveyors designed to keep your product moving.